Hi dears, welcome to MFI Laboratory. Today we are going to make homemade sanitizer in a very cheap or low price. Hand sanitizer is a supplement or alternative to hand washing with soap and water. It can be made in different forms such as gel, foam and in liquid solution. The base of all the sanitizer is alcohol. The alcohol used may be IPA, isopropyl alcohol, ethanol, propanol, or you can replace it with any organic solvent which is easily available in market. Alcohol based sanitizer are more effective in killing microorganisms, and the minimum amount of one need for sanitizer is about 60%. And what are the major ingredients? Aloe vera gel, glycerin, deionized water, solvent that is isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, and maybe 2 to 3 drop perfumes. And what are the percentages? Aloe vera gel up to 17%, glycerin up to 3 to 4%, deionized water 15 to 17%, and solvent isopropyl alcohol is up to 63 to 65%, and the perfumes you can add up to 2 to 3 drops. It is especially for my students and obviously for you because hand sanitizer are short in market, and if it is available, so it is available at high rates. The alternative solution for current crisis, I have decided to make it for you to stop the spread of this virus in a reasonable manner. Thank you. Now we are going to start the process. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to MFI Laboratory. Today we are going to discuss how to make organic or home-based sanitizer. The major ingredients of home-based sanitizers are: number one is aloe vera gel, which is around 17%. Second, glycerin 3%, deionized water 15%, or any solvent, maybe ethanol, IPA, thinner, ether, it will be 63%, or 2 to 3 drop of perfume. Now we are going to start the process. How we will make? First of all, we take a beaker. First of all, we will start for detail balance. Now we will take the beaker on it, or if you will take tear, then it will become 0. Initially, first of all, we will mix 17% aloe vera gel, around 67 grams. We are going to make 400 grams of sanitizer. Now after addition of 17% aloe vera gel, which is 67 gram, now we add glycerin, which is 3% and up to 12 grams. Now we are going to add glycerin. The reading approaches up to 12 gram exact. The third ingredient is water, deionized water. We are going to add 15% deionized water, which is converted to grams up to 60 grams. As the reading approaches 60 grams, by addition of glycerin, aloe vera gel and water, we will have to mix this mixture. And you know that what sort of emulsion it has been produced. It's produced a salt gel like emulsion. You can use a shaker or a mixture, the anything which you have been available in your kitchen or your home. By mixing all three ingredients, if you will got the viscous paste, as you have seen in the screen, this sort of viscous paste has been obtained. Now we are going to add fourth ingredient. After trading the physical balance, we are going to add solvent, which is ethanol. 63% ethanol solvent, which is reaches up to 252 grams. You can use any solvent which you have in your home, maybe kerosene oil, maybe IPA, isopropyl alcohol, maybe ethanol, or maybe thinner. Okay. Now we are going to add 252 grams. Two 52 grams of ethanol which has been added. Now after addition of ethanol, we have to mix the solution, and also to increase viscosity we will have to add some sort of aloe vera in the solution, which is thicken the solution and convert it to emulsion. Now it has been emulsified. The solution is converted into very viscous and soft liquid. You can see what sort of gel it has been produced. It's a gel-like substance. And after mixing all the ingredients, number one glycerine, second aloe vera gel, third deionized water, and fourth solvent, mix thoroughly. As a result, the emulsive paste has been produced. It is ready to use. If you want to make it pleasant, we can add some sort of perfume. Just you can add 2 to 3 drops of some sort of perfume. We'll have 2 to 3 drops of perfume here. Now the remaining mixture, mix the solution. And after mixing all the ingredients, now the paste has been produced. It can be used for daily hand washing purpose without using any water. And you can see what sort of emulsion has been produced. This sort of emulsion is going to convert it. We are going to transfer it into a bottle which is easily available in market. After mixing all the ingredients, now the sanitizer has become ready to use. Now it has been transferred into plastic bottle, which is easily available in the market. And you have seen which sort of viscous liquid has been made. And the recipe is 400 grams of homemade sanitizer. The all emulsion is transferred into plastic bottles. Now it has been ready to use. We can easily apply on hand and we feel very fresh. Now we are going to this card. Now it's a homemade sanitizer. We can easily apply on his skin. Yes, it can easily evaporate the organic volatile solvent. Now it's a recipe how to make home-based sanitizer. Now in the next video, inshallah, we will learn how to make hand wash, liquid hand wash. And the recommendation, the alcohol sanitizer should be used by the health practitioners in washing hands during routine patient care activities on the general patient floor, as well as to pre-operation surgical preparation and post-operation hand washing. In hospital recovery room, hand sanitizer is recommended for cleaning hands before and after eating, when preparing food, or when hands are potentially contaminated with bodily fluids. Also, it should be used by people in public toilets to prevent contamination or contact with disease. It can also be used in offices, industries and other public places. And you should know that it's a volatile matter, so the volatility become converted into combustion if you are using matchstick. So by applying hand sanitizer, you should be aware that you don't need to use matchstick or your hand in front of fire. And stay tuned for more videos by MFY Laboratories. Thank you.